Get ready.
Hello YouTube, and welcome to this exclusive playlist on how to make a kill mission. This playlist is quite lengthy. There's only going to be several videos, but they'll be varying in length. But this is what you're going to be able to do at the end of it. You'll have your own level. I'm not going to be teaching you how to do level design or giving away any assets. The assets I give away free with this tutorial series. I'll just give a link to them, the cracked versions, but if you are going to use any of these asset packs in the commercial retail version, I suggest you support the developers and go ahead and buy their assets from the marketplace. If you just want to follow along, feel free to use the assets. The link will be in the description for all of the assets that I use in this playlist in each video. Okay, with that, let's get started. This is what you learn how to do. You'll have this character, you'll have this gun, the AR-85 or a different assault rifle. You'll have a 2D image of the weapon. You'll have single shot for the assault rifle like this with recoil. Can you see? Jumping up a bit and to the right. Single shot. If you press F, you'll have burst. There's 5 bullets in a burst. This one, as you can see, like that. Then you'll have full auto. And then when we get onto it, we'll make that assault rifle, and we'll make a shotgun like this. Sorry, that's got too much recoil, as you see. And each one, when you hold down the mouse button, will have first person mode. It's worth noting that first person mode, when you go to sprint in first person mode or reload, it cuts back to third person. And this is a grenade launcher. If you go first person, shoot a few of them, and they explode. We haven't got the right projectile yet, but it doesn't matter, you can always add that later. So now what we're going to do, as well as doing 3 different weapons, an assault rifle, a shotgun, and a rocket or grenade launcher, you'll be learning how to make this or something else. But you walk up to it and it will do this. It will say something like that. Hey, you look like the new muscle they called. Intel says they have bugged the AWOL robot with a GPS tracker. Use your compass to find and determine that stupid, annoying bastard. Sorry about my accent, I'm not taking offense. In this case, it's left down to your discretion and how you want to handle it. Then you're left with a choice. You're okay, I will accept it, or I'll think about it. We'll go to okay, I will. Sorry about that, it skips. Then you see that objective side mission, kill on a bridge comes up, we learn how to do that. And then it says you let it smack down and good and proper. You accept that. And now, it's triggered a red mannequin. It'll be around here somewhere. If I can just find it, down here somewhere. There he is. Oh, it's working. The objective marker is working. It's dynamic. It's moving with him. We've got real close to him. It doesn't shoot us at the moment. You have to figure that out yourself. But I'll teach you for him to follow you. If we get into his line of sight, it'll chase us. If we move back, it'll chase us. If we shoot him, that's the robot he's on about. And it's just a mannequin. If you shoot him, the mission will complete. And the exclamation mark is custom. Will set it to the colour I want. And it'll disappear when you shoot him. So you ready? When he dies, it'll update the notification for the menu complete. What? My gun jammed. I'll show you how to do that as well. Now shoot him. As you see, it says the bastard is dead. Another one bites the dust. It says congratulations on completing this mission. Mission complete. And as you see on the compass, that objective marker is no longer there because he's dead. After 10 seconds, he disappears. If that all looks good to you, please move on to the next video in the playlist where we get down to nit and gritty. Thank you for watching YouTube, and have a great day.
Get ready.